Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how to use Telegram without a phone number. Right, so if you just go to normal Google Chrome here and if you try to get a Telegram here and try to create a new account without a phone number, actually that's not possible. Right, so you have to select your country code and here you have to enter your phone number and then just click on this icon and then only you will able to create your Telegram account, right? So without a phone number it's not possible. By the way, there's a one way. If you don't want to use your own phone number, you can always use temporary phone number, which is really a great way to do this. Right, so here are some of the websites which you can use this website to use Telegram, right? And you can use this temporary phone number to create an account. Right, so this is only possible and this is the least solution that you can get. Most of the videos on YouTube are really fake. I hope you found this video very valuable. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.